Hi guys, welcome back to my video. Thank you for coming. I am filming a couple videos today, so hence the same outfit, same hair, same makeup. But I wanted to get a couple of these out of the way, and I will have some more coming on Monday. So today is our Target box. I love these boxes. If you guys haven't watched my channel, I get these every month. It is not a subscription. It is something that you have to go and order on the website. But it's like $7 to $10, and you get a lot of trial size, like 5 to 6 trial size products in here that are really good for traveling. So this is one of my, I say one of my favorite boxes, but it's definitely one of the boxes that's worth the money, for sure. And this month it's so pretty. Purple is my favorite color. I absolutely love it. I think it's so pretty. Let's see if I can get into it. Definitely probably save this box because it's so pretty. So how are you guys doing? Oh, I'm sorry, excuse me. Let me get these swatches off my hand from the BoxyCharm video. I loved the BoxyCharm video. Everything in that is so good. Wow, that's not coming off. And that's Dose of Colors that doesn't want to come off of there. Wow, that's an awesome color. Anyway, that's not what this video is about. This video is about our Target box. So you open it up, and that is what it looks like. There's Reba. Say hi. And this month is Festival Beauty Headliners. Coachella EDC Governor's Ball festival season is finally here. To help you stand out from the crowd and make your life just a little bit easier, we rounded up the beauty headliners that will make you the star of the show. Try them out and you'll love them as much as we do. Find the full-size versions at TargetBeautyBox.com. And it gives you a $3 off coupon and tells you about the products in the back. So, and it's always a different color tissue paper. So this is what it looks like when you open it up. Like I said, it's always such a great amount of products for the price that you pay for this. That's why I love this box. So I'm going to pull out the first thing that I see, and it's sealed, so that's great, so it doesn't fall over the box. And this is Hawaiian Tropic Antioxidant Sunscreen Mist. Okay. Oil-free, weightless, and moisturizing sunscreen mist is formulated with age-proofing antioxidants and is ideal for touch-ups on the go. That's a pretty cool concept. I've never seen anything like that. Definitely give that a shot. Wow. That's pretty cool. All right, so the next item is from Bliss, and I like Bliss. I get a lot of Bliss products. And this is Bliss Jelly Glow Peel. Bouncy jelly peel gently exfoliates and hydrates, leaving skin soft, freshly, and perfectly primed for smooth makeup application. Okay, let's see how it smells. Oh, it's sealed. It is sealed. All right, open up. I don't know why I'm having problems today opening up these things. I think it's because of my nails. Sorry, I gotta use my teeth. Ugh. Oh, I just poured out a lot. So it is a definitely jelly consistency. It smells so good. Definitely jelly. Let's see if it dries down by the time the video is over. All right, so next thing I'm pulling out, and I like this color a lot, and this is from, oh, I'm throwing it at you, Sinful Colors, and it is in the shade Full for Azul, A-Z-U-L, and we all know what this is, so it's just a Sinful Color nail polish, easy to use, brush effortlessly glide across nails, ensuring that polish goes on perfectly, and that you'll make a splash with this playful aqua hue. So that's really good. All right, so the next thing I'm pulling out, I've never seen this product. SGX NYC Salon Graphic, the Do-It-All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. That is a mouthful. I love the packaging. It is purplish. Very pretty. And it says 3-in-1 formula texturizes, amplifies, and refreshes hair, instantly absorbing oil so day-old locks looks bouncy and full of life. Wow. I cannot speak. Oh. Oh, it smells so good. Wow, that smells really good. See, again, this is why I get the box. I will definitely be using that up. And there's still, looks like 3 more things in here. This is awesome. What is this? Okay, and a couple pieces have fallen off. Probably through transit. But I don't know what this is. Sincerely, something scrunchy. And it's a bunch of little rings. And I have a couple that fell off right there. Sincerely Jewels, assorted jewelry hair rings. Loop through a boho braid or place around the crown of a high pony for festival-ready locks in a blink. How cool! That is so cool. Never got anything like that in a Target box. That's pretty neat. I definitely have to try these. They're so cute. I would never think of that. And they even like little dangly things on them. That's really cute. All right. So we are down to the last 2 products. And this is everything, you know, something we can all use. Dove Dry Spray Antiperspirant 48-hour Cool Essentials Deodorant. So we all know what Dove is, so I'm not going to read. We know what deodorant does. So that's really good. And then the last thing is awesome. A Mask Bar Holographic Foil Peel-Off Mask. Look at how pretty these products are. First, the Glam Glow that was in the BoxyCharm that was holographic. If you didn't watch that video, look at that. And then you got this one. All right, so this says, where is it at? All right, Mask Bar Holographic Mask Sachet. Holographic peel-off mask helps revitalize, moisturize, and illuminate the appearance of skin. Hello Glow. So that's really, really cool. All right, so let's recap. I don't know what I did with the lid to this, so, oh, here it is. So we've got the mask, the Bliss, the sunscreen, the texture spray, the rings, which is super cool, the nail polish, like it keeps going and going, and the Dove spray. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. 7 items this month. $1 an item. That is way, way, way worth the money. Way worth the money. So if any of you guys are thinking about getting the Target box, I've always suggested, I definitely think it's a great box to get. Walmart also does one that's seasonal, so you get 4 of them a month, or 4 of them a year, and it's $5. And that one is a subscription. But I love this box. Definitely give it a try, you guys. And that's going to be it for this video. But I will be doing my Ipsy Glam Plus and my Allure and my regular Ipsy. So I have a bunch of those coming up. And I'm trying to figure out some more ideas to keep, you know, through the end of the month. So I still have some videos going up. Reba says goodbye. There she is. Say bye-bye, honey. And we will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic night, day, whatever. Good night, guys. Bye.